This is Kim from Reality Travel coming to you from Colombia, Medellin. I'm going to show you this park. It's so beautiful. And also, look at the birds. The park is awesome. Buenos días. I like it here in Colombia. One thing I want to tell you guys, when you come to Colombia, you just be very careful with the taxi service here. Por favor, no aumente los animales. Now, I'll actually tell this in another video. Make sure that your taxi will take you all the way to where you want to go, because what they do is they change taxis in the middle of your route. You think that one taxi driver is supposed to take you all the way, but they don't. And when I came here from the airport, they did that, but I didn't get out. My driver was going to take me where I wanted to go, but the two young girls that was there actually got out, and they were upset. And then there were like 6 or 7 other people there waiting. I mean, that could have really been frightening to young children. These girls were, well, they looked 12 and 13, but they were actually 20 and 21. They looked very young, but they didn't understand why they had to get out of that cab and take another cab. So just want to warn you, just be very careful when you come to Colombia. I'm in, like I said, Medellin, and I don't know if it's the same in Bogota. I'm not sure. I just want to make the viewers aware of the taxi service, and the taxi drivers. They're all arrogant too. So just be careful with. This is an awesome park. Awesome park. Beautiful. Oh, there's a tennis court.